Hey everybody, hope you're having a healthy day, and today I want to talk about health and air purification with this air purifier. Looking forward to diving in, talking about my experience. I will put a link in the description where you could read other reviews, you can ask questions, and of course order it. Always appreciate you clicking on the link if you are interested in getting the information and ordering it, and also thumbs up if you find this video is of help. So this was sent to me to review. I'm so glad they did, and really seeing the value of air purifying or an air purification system here in this area where I currently live. And I'm going to be moving, but this has been an issue down here as far as dust. And over the course of 4 or 5 days and using it, I will definitely say it has really made a difference. And this unit is a very nice one. Again, when you click on the link, you can get more information, and I'll show you how it lights up. It's very, very cool. Before I demonstrate it to you, just a few things. It is a 3-in-1 air purifier. It's got a true Hepa filter, a pre-filter, and an ions filter. It's a 3-stage filtration system that removes 99.97% of dust, pollen, smoke, household odor, and pet dander. And it's 100% ozone free and portable everywhere. And as far as coverage, it's 161.46 square feet. So that will give you some information. There's obviously a lot more information that you'll be able to get. But so very nice unit. It is not too big. It's lightweight, so it's easy to carry. And it's got simple functions. So you got your power button. You can turn on and off the light, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then your fan speed. You've got a sleep mode, a medium mode, and a high mode. I'll turn it on so you can hear the fan speed. Then on the bottom, you've got these rubberized pieces, so it keeps it from slipping. And then this is where you change the filter. This just turns, this pops open, and this is your filter. And I will put a link where you get more information on the filter if you need to order another one. And depending upon how much you use it, you're probably going to change it every 3 to 6 months, thereabouts. And let me lock it back into place. Okay, it's all locked into place. And so you're going to probably have to replace it every 3 to 6 months, thereabouts. And I believe this is the dust sensor right there in that top spot. So let me turn the lights off so you can see. So you can see it's got a red light. Now when you power it on, first of all, it changes the colors, which I like. And I know that I believe that when it does the filter needs to be replaced, there's a flash to indicate that you do need to change the lighting. And it also will help let you know how healthy the filter is doing. The one part I found, especially in my bedroom, why I might not recommend it for the bedroom, especially if you have it by the bed, is you could turn this light off here by pressing this button. This turns the lighting off, but these buttons stay on. So this may be a bother to you if you're sensitive to light. So you might want to consider this for the office or another small room. So you put that on, now it's on. And then to change the speeds, so you got this, the left button is for sleep, medium, and high. So this is the medium fan speed. The fan is on top. The air comes in on the bottom where the filter is. If I press the button to the right, this is now on high. So you can hear it. It's fairly loud. It's manageable, but for some people it may be sensitive. And then this is in the sleep mode. So this is sleep mode. When you put it to sleep mode as well, it turns the light off. So it's on very low. You barely hear it. This is medium. Now the light turns on, but again, you could turn it off or keep it on. I like the colors. The lighting is very cool. And then the last one is high. So there you go. So you got your sleep mode, you got medium, and then you've got on high. So I am really impressed with this unit. It has definitely delivered a high quality product. And then just, keep in mind that you're going to need to replace the filters. And, over time that gets a little pricey, but it sure beats having a lot of dust. It makes it a healthy environment, especially if you got pets and the pet dander. And also if you have issues with breathing and asthma, this is definitely one to consider getting. So be sure to click on the link again to get the information on this unit. Let me know if you have any questions. It is very nice. So glad I've had the opportunity to use it, and so glad I see a reduction in dust. All right, everybody, have a healthy day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.